That wasn't supposed to happen. Still good. Ta-da! Alright, what's going on, you guys? I know what you're thinking. It is hot and humid as shit today, and I'm wearing my hoodie. Don't know why. You can see my forehead was glistening quite a bit there. So yeah, starting off my Monday here, working on the right side, driver's side, my side, power window setup. So what I'm gonna do now is install my power window, power lock setup. Power lock right here. This tab is broken, so when I plug up the harness, I gotta make sure like I secure it in place so it doesn't come out and then, oh shit, I got no power windows. So this was duct taped into place, and oh, it even says it right there, right side. On the other tapes, it didn't say which side, so I had to figure that out in the last video. And ooh, plug for the lock mechanism for the power lock setup. This is the harness. I'll show you guys this in just a second. But here, we're gonna reverse the process on how we removed it. It's the same way we're gonna put it in using the parts correspondingly. So the last one I took out was the lock mechanism, and the first thing going back in is the right-hand drive lock mechanism. So this one has a rod, so I'm hoping and praying that, oh dang it, lock, what is this, key cylinder and door handle. So looks like we don't have the oh wow, I don't have the door handle. So after doing some research, you can obviously see these are my door panels for the power setup, and these are the non-driver side door, and you can see that the two holes are slightly different. That one has a switch, that one does not. So went online, hit up my buddy Jesus to kind of see if I can get like a picture of the driver side door, and you can clearly see there is no switch on the driver's side door other than all the windows. Not quite sure how the power lock works, if it's power lock, but now I kind of understand what's missing and what's not. But even then, I don't have the little plastic piece that goes on the driver's side door, and I also don't have one for that rear door, but I do have both left side covers right here. And on top of that, what the fuck? On top of that, the sedan, this is a sedan right here, and you can see they are the same. This is the driver's side, this is the passenger side, so the holes are slightly different, but the cover is the same. So I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard and find a, I believe, gray sedan, because they come with gray interior, LX model handle cover, so I can have one for that side, and then I'm gonna have to source a new cover for the driver's side, because I sold this with my door panels to Dimples a long time ago, and I don't have that gray cover. So that means I'm gonna have to reuse my current door handle that I took off right there and put that back on using those rods to make that work. This rod right here from the original non-power window, it's too short. You can see I had to bend it here to clear this from touching, and then I route it right here, and right now it works, but it doesn't reach the handle. So what I got to do is, I didn't want to part ways with the other mechanism rods and stuff, but I gotta. So I took this one, kind of bent it in the fashion that I needed to extend this rod to get to this guy right here. So right here I got it bent. I'm gonna cut it right there. I'm gonna cut this one right here. I'm gonna weld that to that right there, and then this 90 up here is gonna be welded to this guy right here, and then this guy is gonna be connected to this one, and hopefully we'll have a working handle. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's try it out. Open, lock, no open, unlock. Hey, we are golden here, and now we can install the motor, and then we can put the window back in. Quick test fit on the Vigo door panel, and it works with the USDM handle. So just got to go and source me that little cover, and we should be golden here. We're good. I got the back door power window setup installed and everything, and when I went to go power it up, it wouldn't go up or down, and I've been sitting here scratching my head for about an hour, and I said hell with it, I'm just gonna open up the motor, and I found out the gear inside is broken. You can see all that broken plastic right there. This is supposed to be, I believe, one unit to this guy right here, and that's the other side to this. So I can either go to the junkyard, find a LX 4-door and get that replacement piece, because I'm sure Honda designed these two chassis the same way, or I can just epoxy the shit out of that, let it dry, and then reinstall this door another day or something, because it is getting dark and I kind of want to move on to pulling out this cabin harness so we can at least get this guy put in and further make progress rather than stress off this little thing. So not a big deal, and let's move forward. Quick little update here. I got that piece epoxied, and then I reinstalled it, and then the window was going up and down and all around like maybe 4 cycles, and then it broke. So now the track and everything is installed, the lock mechanism is installed, the door handles adjusted, the harness is also installed. You can kind of see it right there, but I have to take it back out a 3rd time because I need to replace that broken gear on the inside. So I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard, grab another one or a few, change it out, and right now I got the whole back quarter panel plastics removed, and the whole back harness, everything from the roof down, is pushed up right here. And then we're gonna have to pull the fenders off so we can pull the whole headlight harness on both sides coming in, so we can fully remove everything under the steering column. Whew, looking more and more like a strip car. That is the whole interior harness, front to rear. Man, the thing is hacked up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get around to putting this in today, but everything is cleared out of the car. You can hear the echo, but damn, look at this. If you guys remembered, I replaced my quarter panel a couple years ago before I painted it, and ghetto as fuck. Anyways, most of the harness is out. There's a few stuff like right here, fuel pump and stuff for the Walbro 450. I cut a trap hole right there so I have access to my fuel tank on a front wheel drive chassis. The RT 4-wheel drive already have its trap door right there. Again, I did that a couple years ago, so you know, whatever. Everything is cleared out, and I've been sitting here trying to figure out if I really want to do hard lines again. I honestly do not, but I cannot find another company that makes the flex hose style for the brake relocation, given that I'm right-hand drive, so length may be different. JB Tuned say said that he hasn't measured out for the EF chassis yet, so he doesn't have it on the market, but he does have the hardline kit. And yeah, fenders are pulled off, all the harness pulled through already right here in this hole, looking more and more like a shell as we go. But this is the reason why I want to redo my brake line as well, is because this is bridged off a T when it should just be one and then teed off on the inside. So I got the one extra brake line for no reason. And this was the Downstar kit that I bought when I first redid this car, and I got one installed backward, so that looks kind of funky. This time around I'm gonna do banjo straight down, one in, and then tee it on the inside to the prop valve. And like I said, figure out if this is leaking or not, because I don't want it to chew all on paint after I repaint the engine bay. Gonna get a new clutch line because this is short. You can see where it was sitting in between the turbo manifold and burned itself out. And then I got to get a new feed line as well when I ordered that one, because I broke the other one. So it's about 9:30, and I'm just gonna clean up all of this and prep it for tomorrow, installing the right hand drive harness. Got the car wrapped up, all my stuff put away. Wanted to end the night early. Well, it's not even early, it's like 10 o'clock now, but not sure what I even did today. We got the driver's side, my side, power setup, window harness installed, and then we installed the rear twice. I called it a day, and the day's off tomorrow. We're going to be going to the junkyard tomorrow in the morning, grab some bolts and stuff for his car. Then I'm going to grab door handles, a new motor gear for the driver rear, and hopefully we can get that window working cherry tomorrow. Gosh, I'm getting texts from all these famous people and shit. Anyways, but tomorrow may be a part my day, part in the day because we're gonna be working on his car because he has tomorrow off. I can work on my car anytime throughout the whole week because I'm free most of the time anyways. We pulled the whole harness front to rear out of the car, and the car is looking more and more like a shell. Wednesday I'll get the harness all prepped up and clean the interior a little bit, remove all the brakes and the hydro line that goes into the engine bay to clear all that for the heater core, get all the harness installed front to rear, put all the relays, the sensor that is missing, route them in their home location, and you know, we'll fit the heater box and all of that maybe in the same day. We'll try to make an AC delete duct, but yeah, we'll get further into that when we get there. But as far as tonight goes, I think we made good progress. I read some comments today that went straight to my phone from the upload, and apparently some of you guys weren't getting the notification that a new video released. Just be sure to go back onto the page and click the bell again in case YouTube is like unsubscribing you guys randomly from my channel and a whole bunch of other channels on the YouTube. So be sure to hit the notification bell, guys, and for the most part, if you guys liking the progress, definitely hit the like button. These guys keep texting me, Jesus. I'll see you guys tomorrow, starting off in the junkyard. Peace out.